Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for today, Friday, 20 of December of 2024. Well, a few days we were talking about that since Bitcoin created this candle, the likelihood of Bitcoin going down was higher, and uh, we talk about this zone. This zone wasn't respected at the end of the day. So since we had this huge candle that closed below this zone, the likelihood of Bitcoin continue lower was higher. We talk about this zone, this low, sorry, and these three zones of resistance. We have one fair value gap, one inverted fair value gap, and one midpoint of this huge candle. Basically, Bitcoin just passed through. During the day, it respects some of these zones a few times. Let me see, I see more than one time, maybe the 50 minutes. It respected, yeah, here, basically come back, but no, doesn't respect much. Just pass through. Because the price action was pretty brutal. Basically, the only thing that Bitcoin is still respecting is this order block, basically, guys. Basically, just this. This is a positive order block. This is the only thing that is Bitcoin respected, and maybe it will respect today. But since Bitcoin, let me remove the magnet, since Bitcoin closed below this huge zone, the natural target is here, guys. Here we have two lows that are super close, and we have this midpoint of this wick in the daily time frame, and in the weekly time frame we have another point of interest. So the likelihood of Bitcoin going at least to look here, we have another two lows super close, and we have a midpoint of this wick too. Oh, that is not looking good, guys. Sadly, the Bitcoin price is not looking good. The likelihood of Bitcoin at least going to display is super high, and going to here is super high because it's super close. Basically, it's just all about around almost 4%. Just Bitcoin can do it without any problem. So basically, guys, the likelihood for today, Friday, is continue going lower. We have these two big zones of interest that are pretty likely that Bitcoin will arrive to these places, and we have this huge low. The only thing that I think that I see a little problematic is that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is starting to close a daily candle below this low. If Bitcoin close a daily candle below this low, that will be a little concerning. And if it close daily candle below this low, that will be super concerning. And maybe we will have some kind of a sideways price action for more than a few days. So basically, guys, these are the two important zones for today, this zone and this zone. For now, Bitcoin is respecting this order block, but today we have news. We have a super important news. Core PCE, personal income, and personal spending. This news can move the market because a few days ago we have the FOMC interest decision rate, and the Fed talk about that they will slow down the interest cut rate during the 2025 year because they need to see more improve in the inflation. So is the inflation, the core PCE, comes higher than expected, will enforce that the Fed decision to slow down is the right one, and that will fuck the markets literally. That will move the markets much lower. But if the core PC comes lower than expected, that could help that the Fed starting to doesn't cut that slow the interest rate, just maybe consider another cut, a third cut during the 2025, because for now they are considering two cuts of 25 basis points. So basically, this is the news that you need to see today, Friday. If this news come higher than expected, that is a pretty bad news for the market, and that enforce that the Fed is in the right path. But if this data comes lower than expected, that will help, because the Fed will continue to cutting rates faster, not slower, and that will move the market to the upside. But for now, I think in the first part of the day we will have some kind of sideways action until the news, and if the news comes like I say, maybe we will see Bitcoin around this price. And if you don't, we can continue going up. So hope for the best and prepare for the worst, guy. Okay. I hope you like this analysis. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.